Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. So in this video I'm going to show you that how you can use the Photoshop and how you can import the picture in Photoshop. So let's start Photoshop app. So first of all, what we have to do, we have to open the Photoshop. So I'm going to click on this, and after clicking on this, as you can see, for example, I'm going to choose this image, and after choosing this image, as you can see, you will be redirected to the Photoshop, and the Photoshop will look like this. So as you can see, this is the first option, that the looks, and the looks means that if you want to change the filter of your picture, you can also do that. See, a lot of filters are provided, like the normal one and the spring one is here, and if you want to increase the intensity of this, you can also do that, like this one. And I'm going to decrease this, and after that, dapple is provided here if you want to use the dapple, and if you want to increase the intensity again, you can also do that. It will look like this. As you can see, vibrant and Buono and all the summer are provided here. If you want to see in the HDR mode, you can also do that. These are the HDR mode, like the super crunch and all options are provided here. In the charm section, these are provided here. In the black and white and the portrait and the matte, these all are divided into groups. Firstly, what you have to do, you have to choose that which one you want to use. For example, I'm going to use one of them. For example, I want to use this one, and after choosing that, you have to adjust the intensity of your picture, of your filter. And after that, after doing that, simply you have to click on the download, and after clicking on the download, your image will be downloaded and will be saved in your gallery. So in this way you can import an image in Photoshop, and after that, in this way you can apply the filters and the looks as well in your picture. So I hope you guys understand this video. So see you guys in the next video.